Sea turtles glide with an elegance that transcends time in the immense blue expanse of the oceans, where life abounds in infinite diversity and sunshine dances with waves. They are more than just marine life. They are remnants of a former world, preserving the echoes of Earth's distant past within their shells. These amazing creatures, humble, tough, and magnificent, are the epitome of survival. However, because human activity puts a shadow on their existence, their future is in jeopardy. The ancient order Testudines, which has existed for more than 220 million years, includes sea turtles. For comparison, when dinosaurs roamed the Earth, sea turtles were already navigating ancient seas. Their development is a tale of survival in the face of adversity, a symphony of adaptability. But to trace their roots, one must delve into the dark waters of history, where scientific secrets and evolutionary puzzles remain unanswered. All turtles, tortoises, and terrapins belong to the larger order Testudines. This family includes the subgroup that migrated to the oceans and developed into the modern-day marine turtles. However, there is disagreement among scientists over their origins. Turtles were long believed to be members of the unanswered group, which includes extinct reptiles with skulls devoid of apertures close to the temples. But according to recent studies supported by genomic and fossil data, turtles belong to the same group as snakes, lizards, crocodiles, and birds, the diapsids. The intricacies of evolution are reflected in this secondary adaptation. We have to go back more than 260 million years to the Permian epoch to learn about the evolution of sea turtles. Exciting insights into their early relatives can be gained from the fossils of animals like the Unatosaurus. Unatosaurus might have been an ancestor of modern turtles because of its broad, flattened ribs, which resemble the early beginnings of a shell. Other ancient relatives, such Papacheles and Odontocheles, surfaced over time. These species represent significant turning points in the evolutionary process. The earliest signs of shell growth can be seen in the semi-aquatic organism Papacheles, which has enlarged ribs. The toothed turtle Odontocheles, on the other hand, lacked the domed carapace that characterizes modern turtles, but did display a fully developed plastron, or the underside of the shell. The journey of adaptation from terrestrial to aquatic conditions and ultimately to the broad seas is told by these ancient fossils. The transition to marine life did not happen overnight. Anatomical developments such as powerful flippers in place of legs, streamlined bodies for gliding through water, and lungs modified for prolonged dives were hallmarks of this evolutionary metamorphosis. Sea turtles have become marine wonders as a result of their adaptations over millions of years. The domination of sea turtles in the waters dates back more than 120 million years to the Cretaceous period. Desmatocheles, one of the first sea turtles, was enormous, growing up to 2 meters in length. All contemporary sea turtles are members of the Chelonioidea superfamily, which was established by its existence. Among the ancient giants was Archelon, a member of the extinct Protostegidae family. This enormous sea turtle was almost 15 feet long, with flippers that extended twice as far. When marine ecosystems were as vibrant and varied as they are now, the Cretaceous seas were dominated by its enormous shell and powerful presence. Surprisingly, though, some sea turtles have managed to survive and continue their heritage into the present day. Along with the dinosaurs, numerous turtle species perished during the end Cretaceous extinction, which was brought on by a devastating asteroid strike. There are now just 7 species of sea turtles, which are split between the families Dermocolidae and Cheloniidae. With their distinct adaptations to their roles in marine ecosystems, each species is a work of evolutionary art. As a vegetarian, the green turtle contributes significantly to the upkeep of healthy seagrass beds by grazing on seagrass. By crushing hard-shelled prey like crabs and mollusks with its strong jaws, the loggerhead helps maintain the equilibrium of marine food networks. By feeding on sponges with its razor-sharp beak, the hawksbill keeps coral reefs from overgrowing. Thousands of turtles come ashore to lay their eggs during arrebatas, the synchronized nesting event that makes the olive ridley famous. Though on a smaller scale, Kemp's ridley, the tiniest and rarest sea turtle, also engages in arrebatas. Only found in Australian waters, flatbacks favor environments with soft bottoms and modest depths. The biggest and most distinctive is the leatherback, which has no hard shell. Rather, its body is protected by an oil-filled, leathery carapace that aids in controlling buoyancy and withstanding cold water. Despite their tenacity, marine turtles are currently under attack like none before. These ancient sailors have been driven to the edge by human activities like as habitat degradation, pollution, bycatch and fishing gear, poaching, and climate change. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has classified 6 of the 7 species as vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered. The only surviving member of the Dermocolidae family, the leatherback turtle, is particularly vulnerable. Its disappearance would mean the permanent loss of a whole branch of the reptile tree of life. Any sea turtle species going extinct will leave a hole in marine ecosystems and upset the delicate balance that they contribute to. Sea turtles are protectors of the health of the ocean, not simply aquatic animals. They contribute significantly to the ecological stability of the world by grazing on seagrass, preserving coral reef ecosystems, and promoting marine biodiversity. Their battle serves as a wake-up call, yet their survival is proof of life's tenacity. Around the world, conservation initiatives seek to save nesting sites, lessen bycatch, fight pollution, and increase public knowledge of these ancient mariners. The fight is far from done, though. Saving sea turtles is like saving a piece of the soul of our planet, a link to the earliest days of ocean life. These classic animals serve as a reminder of the wonder, intricacy, and vulnerability of the natural world. They bear the burden of their own survival, as well as the dreams of a time when people will learn to live in harmony with the natural world as they glide over the waves. Without them, the oceans would be more bare. Resilience and the enduring strength of life are symbolized by their shells, which are inscribed with the history of millions of years. Let's struggle to keep them alive so that future generations can be inspired by the poetry of their existence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.